Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, welcome to part 3 of this video series where I share my Sally Beauty haul. In this video, I show you all of the stylers that I received and purchased for 50% off from Sally Beauty. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. These are the products that I purchased from Sally Beauty during their 50% off shampoo sale. And these are the conditioners that I bought from Sally's 50% off sale. And lastly, we're going to move on to the stylers that I purchased during Sally Beauty's 50% off sale. I'm going to start with this small box and let's see what this is. And again, I think what happened is that some products sold out during the sale, and that's why they were shipped later than the original order. And this is the Soultanicals Mango Dip Detangling Slip. I've heard a lot about this. This is 8 ounces, and I am hoping that this does my hair justice. I missed out on Soultanicals sale. I'm not even gonna go into it. I know that the liter sale is going on right now, but I'm not really interested in purchasing liter size because I still want to test out and see what my hair likes and doesn't like. So the next 8 ounce sale they have, I'll definitely try to get in on that one. Soultanicals 2020, baby. Now we're gonna open this larger box. Let's see what we have. And what I tried to do during all these sales was to match up. So if I got the shampoo for something, you know, I tried to also get the conditioner and the styler from that same brand and line. Ooh, this is, let me put this to the side. These products are busting out. So here is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Styling Jelly. I bought some products from this line a while back, but I don't think I have the styling jelly, and that's why I bought it. And in addition to it, of course, being 50% off. I also purchased the Reshaping Shine Butter from this line. I'm not sure if this is like an edge control type product or what, but I'm gonna see because eventually I will try it out. I have the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Mousse. I have the Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream. From Mielle Rosemary Mint line, I have the Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream. And I'm so glad that Sally had this sale because like I said, I missed out on Mielle sale because most of the Rosemary Mint items, by the time I got there, most of the Rosemary Mint items were sold. I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, and I'm guessing this is like an edge control. I could be wrong, I don't know, but that's what I'm guessing. And then here I have the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. This is 2 ounces. This one is 4 ounces. I got the Kinky Curling Custard. So at this point, I have the shampoo, I have the leave-in, and I have the curling custard. The only thing I don't have is that deep conditioner, and that's something that I really want to try. It comes in like a gold and clear packaging, gold and white with clear, and I want to get that. And that would complete the quad wash day for me. So I would have the cleanser, I will have the deep conditioner, I have the leave-in, and then I have the styling. I got the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Y'all, these names, this is ridiculous, but I got this. So I think I have the deep conditioner, or I have something else of this line, but I wanted to try this flaxseed gel, so that's why I got this. I have the Main Choice Cheers Gelato. I have heard so much about this styler from so many of the YouTubers that I follow. I don't want to say no names because if I leave somebody out, you know, I don't want to do that. But definitely, I know that this is a couple people's faves, if not a lot of people's fave. And hopefully it'll be mine too. And from African Pride, I have the Curling Cream. And then finally for me, I have the Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze, which I've also heard a lot about. And these are the products that I purchased during Sally Beauty's 50% off stylers. Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please have a safe and happy and blessed new year. And remember to judge products and not people. See you in 2020.